Mendoza. Yes, yo, yeah, yo, yeah, man. Yes, yo. Lansunis, yo. Langihan, yo. Yes, yo, Frisco, yo. In the mini Philippines, yo. 35 kilo. Lansunis at 40. Native, 40. Yes, yo, sweet, yo. Yo, len, lami, yo. Amis, yo. Big man, oh, yeah. Oh, bela, rambutan, yo. Shake, yeah. Oh, mga suki lang, yeah, Lansunis, ay. Parato man, yo. Man, yeah. Oh. Man, yes, man, yeah, yeah. Lansunis is very intensive, man, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. When, blend, no. That kilo is mura, yeah. Oh, man, oh, yeah. Oh, yes, may discount pa, yeah, man, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man, tax. Man, oh, yeah. 40. Mura lang, 40, 35, yo. Oh, sweet naman, yeah. Oh, yeah, man, yeah. Oh yes, yo. Yeah, man, yo, man. You know, yes, rambutan is me. Rambutan is me all out. See this, is very fat, yeah. Oh man, oh yeah. It's very fatty, yeah. Oh yeah. Go 30 kilo and langihan inside the market. You go now, you go inside me. Yeah. It's the tunis in rambutan, yeah. Miss Beautiful, come here. You buy it, 35 or 40. It's very packed, yeah, man, yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, yo, wait, yeah. Yeah. Yo, man, yeah. Oh, yeah. Pak. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Rambutan is very delicious, yeah. Oh, it's okay, yeah. Oh, it's okay. Oh, 40, 35. You select the fruit sulis or rambutan. Fresh na fresh. And in the Philippines, in Baguio. Harvest in Baguio. Bukidnon. Claveria, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on, yes. Rambutan na sulis. Oh, sir, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, come on, you're warm, but since then, don't breathe, ping.